Facebook, how to block someone from seeing your post. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can block someone from seeing your post on Facebook. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you would like to block someone from seeing your post on Facebook, all you have to do is you can actually do this individually as well. So when you open up Facebook, let's say you just come to your profile page and then you want a specific post to not be seen by a specific person. Not all, but just a specific one. For that, you tap the three dots option here and select the option called edit privacy, as you would be able to find here. And over here you can select only me or see more friends except, so don't show to some friends. You'll find this option here. So when you select that, you can select the people whom you don't want to share this post with, and after you do that, you can just hit the OK option in order to stop sharing these from their post, and they will not be able to view that particular post. This way you will be able to block someone from seeing your post on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.